Hello guys, this is your channel TFD coming back with another banger. It looks like the Indiana Fever has officially committed to bringing back none other than Sophie Cunningham. For this one, let's head straight to Indy because it's about to get real exciting. All right, you can book it, you can mark it down right now. It's as good as official. Sophie Cunningham will be back with the Indiana Fever. And this isn't just some rumor floating around. The organization has made it a top priority to keep her closely involved in everything happening during the offseason. Sophie is not just coming back, she's becoming a core piece of this Fever culture. And y'all, that's beautiful news. One half of the Blonde Bombers will officially return. That's right, Trace Leachez will be back in full force. And let's be honest, Sophie is that player who you just know will stand her ground. She's the one who's gonna step up if anyone tries to mess with Caitlin Clark, no hesitation. Every team needs that kind of energy, that toughness, that spark, and Sophie brings all of it. This move speaks volumes about where the Indiana Fever is headed. They're not just trying to compete, they're trying to build chemistry, loyalty, and leadership around their young superstar core. Bringing Sophie back sends a clear message. This team is about fight, unity, and heart. Now, let's talk about Sophie's offseason. She's been out there doing her big one, staying active, representing the Fever in multiple appearances, and showing love to the fans. If you've been paying close attention, only a select few players have been involved in these official team activities. That's not random, that's a sign. Players who are showing up and staying engaged, they're the ones coming back. And for those who've been missing in action, no calls, no shows, yeah, you can probably assume they won't be back next season. That's how it works in this league. So when you see Sophie out here at another Fever event, smiling, talking, connecting with fans, it's not by chance. It's because she's locked in, she's returning, and she's about to bring that same fiery energy that makes her such a fan favorite. Sophie Cunningham is back, Indiana Fever fans. Get ready. This team just got even tougher.
Stuffing? Yes.
Sophie!
Yes! What's going on? No, you are not. This is what we're here for. We're here for you. Come on! Ah! You're going to Sydney? You're skipping this? No!
She didn't want to dress it?
No. Twice she skipped me, and I was like, go!
She didn't even look at you.
No. Too straight. Yum! Sorry, I'm hungry.
No.
I know, it smells so good. You are so welcome. I hope you guys enjoy. You are welcome. Yeah, happy holidays. Yo, you are totally fine. Right on top, is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you.
Happy Thanksgiving. Hello, some stuffing?
Yes, please.
Of course. Enjoy it. Running out of hands.
I love that stuff. It's so
Really?
bad for you. It's
Oh, it's the holidays. You're fine. They are so cute. Do you want some stuffing, big guy? Yeah, bring it on over here. How old are you?
How you doing?
4? Oh, here, will you bring it right here for me? Thank you. Hi, sis. How are you? You are so cute. Thank you.
I got 2 of them.
All right. There you go. What up? Stuffing?
You like some turkey?
And he has some turkey coming if you want some turkey. No turkey, just some stuffing. There you go, my girl. Yes, come on. There you go. Yes, exactly. There you go. Oh, I got you a big old scoop. Sorry. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Stuffing?
Yes, please.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
You are so welcome. Enjoy.
Turkey?
Okay.
Turkey?
Well, I'm going to give you like a lot of it, and then you can eat what you want of it.
You're welcome.
Ah, there you go. Stuffing? Too much?
No, that's fine.
Oh, okay. I saw your eyes get big, and I was like, uh-oh. Happy holidays. You want some stuffing? Come on. Come on. Open up. Open up. You actually do want some? Oh. Oh, here. I'll give you a little. I'll give you a little. Like, see, that's not bad. You're going to love it. Come on. Come on. Heck yeah. Happy holidays. You don't need to lose weight. You're jacked.
This is what we're here for, y'all. We're here for the people.
for the fans, for the energy that makes this game what it is. You love to see it, the interaction, the community connection, the love. And when you talk about someone who embodies all that, there's only one name that comes to mind: Caitlin Clark. She's truly a woman of the people, the people's champ, the one and only. But right beside her, matching that energy step for step, is Sophie Cunningham. And let me tell you, if anybody has seized the moment of being next to Caitlin Clark, it's Sophie Cunningham. Nobody has done it better. From Good Morning America appearances to Arby's collabs to NASCAR events, Sophie Cunningham has been everywhere, representing not just herself, but the Indiana Fever brand to the fullest. Now, this latest appearance, it's with the Indiana Pacers. And let's be clear, the Fever and the Pacers are like family. They move together, they work together, they build community together. So when you see Sophie showing up to these Pacers holiday events, reading between the lines is easy. The tea leaves are there, man. You just have to be smart enough to see it. They wouldn't be having Sophie do this kind of community engagement if she wasn't part of their future plans. That's not how organizations work. If she wasn't coming back, they'd send someone else, maybe Lexi Hull or another player locked in for next season. But it's Sophie out there, and that tells you everything you need to know. This is great news for the Fever fan base. Sophie Cunningham isn't just a player, she's a presence, a personality, a fighter. The fact that she's still being highlighted, still representing the team publicly, shows that the Fever want her back and she wants to be back. And let's be honest, you're not seeing Natasha Howard or Odyssey Sims at these events, right? There's a reason for that. They're not coming back. The organization is already looking forward, and the players being featured right now are the ones staying in the picture. So shout out to Sophie Cunningham for owning her moment, staying visible, and showing what it means to be part of this Fever culture. She's out here doing her thing, and all signs point to her being right back in Indy next season.
All right, now we got Sophie Cunningham up next, y'all. And listen, she was out here talking about, well, she said 4, like the number 4. Sophie, come on now. We got to get you together. You know we love you, but that one had me cracking up. Anyway, I'm going to roll this clip of her talking about becoming Caitlin Clark's caddy. Yes, you heard that right. And what exactly she's planning on doing with that. Check this out.
Oh, like, well, heads up, but it's F-O-R-E.
Okay. Also, was just on Twitter, and it was a picture of you, Lexi, and Cece, and it said you're caddying for something. What is that?
Yeah, I'm caddying. Also, I'm a dumbass. If anyone's seen my story, I was like, 4 F-O-U-R. And
yeah, 4.
Like, well, heads up, but it's F-O-R-E.
I fucking don't golf, and I knew that.
Well, I didn't know. I knew I should have probably looked it up before I put it all over my social media. Fuck.
Did you delete and repost, or did you leave up?
Nope. Left up. Posted just a kind of ugly photo of me, like 4 ? Yeah, I don't know. Like, I was just like, I messed up. I have no idea. I don't know shit about golf. I'm really good at drinking and driving the golf cart. Actually,
I don't think you were supposed to say that on camera. Oh man, I love this podcast. But seriously, that one right there, you definitely weren't supposed to let that slip on camera.
not a bad. I have a pretty good short game too. Bink, 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 bink.
Yeah, mini golf is your thing.
You're a little putter.
Yeah, I would kill people at mini golf. But yeah, I have no idea what I'm going to be doing. I don't really know how I even got invited to an event like this, but I'm really excited for it. It's in Florida. Caitlin will be golfing. Me and Lexi will. I have no idea what we're going to be doing, but I know me and Lex will be having a great time. Yeah. Hey, actually, speaking of great time,
This is
what?
really funny. This is really funny.
Stupid. Oh. Yeah. See my next one though. I fixed it. Idiot.
Who are these hot girls? Oh, is that? Oops. That's probably Tyrese's fiance.
One of them is
Which one?
the one on the very left. B.
What is her
I'll
story?
hook you up. People ask about Abby.
What is
Up. Come to Indy.
You bet your ass I'm coming to Indy. We're going to St. Elmo's.
And
we're gonna-
meet Abby.
and that- yep, and meet Abby.
I've had a lot of people
okay.
do that. They're like, who's the girl in the middle? I was like, name's
Okay, well, I'm asking you on a podcast, which carries more weight.
That's true, man. Because when you're doing it like this, you're doing it in front of the whole world. But hold up, y'all going left. Listen, man, let's get this straight. Caitlin Clark is about to dominate this golf tournament. I can already see it coming. You can just feel it. But I can already tell she's about to take over out there on that course. When you're prepping at MJ's course, that's a whole different level. Everybody can't just show up there. That's Michael Jordan's private ground, the home of winners. When you train at Grove 23, you're not just playing for fun. You're training to win. And MJ, he only knows one thing: winning. If Caitlin's been out there getting those reps in with the GOAT's energy surrounding her, then you already know what's about to happen. She's coming to win it all. I'm telling you right now, this isn't just another tournament for her. This is a statement, another example of how Caitlin Clark carries that competitive fire everywhere she goes. Whether it's basketball, golf, or anything else, she's got that killer instinct. She doesn't show up just to participate. She shows up to dominate. And you know what? That's what makes her different. That's what separates her from the rest. She takes that same focus she's known for on the court, that vision, that precision, that confidence, and she applies it to everything she touches. So yeah, I'm putting my money on Caitlin Clark to win this golf tournament. Now I want to hear from you guys. Get down in the comments. Tell me what you think. Do you believe Caitlin's going to take home the win? Or do you think someone else has a shot at stopping her? Because as far as I can see, when you train under Michael Jordan standards, losing isn't even part of the conversation. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share the video, because this one right here, this could be another legendary Caitlin Clark moment in the making.